And if you do the math, that's a
great investment.
I do think that's why when we talk about gold in the context of Bitcoin, the first prong that we all attach to is whether the strategic reserve can be allocated to actually buy Bitcoin for the US, in which we are sitting on a bunch of paper gains with gold in particular, right? Because gold has been marked at the treasury at $42 an ounce. And we all know right now it's trading at $38.50. That's 100x, right? That's 100x that we're sitting on. And if you do the math, that's a
great investment.
Hugely profitable investment and reflexive in some nature as well as to what the US was able to accomplish with on the back of the dollar. But there's $1 trillion of basically paper gains, right? And $1 trillion actually, it sounds big to us, but it's probably not that big in the grand scheme of how indebted the country itself is, right? $33 trillion of US debt out there. So $1 trillion, maybe it's actually not that big of a reval event anymore. So this is kind of, I think, the tension as to do we do it, do we not do it? If we do it, it doesn't move the dial that much. But the thing that is really interesting then is, hey, what if we then actually do find a way to find liquidity, a funding-based liquidity on the $1 trillion of gold and buy Bitcoin? And $1 trillion of Bitcoin is actually hugely impactful for the Bitcoin market. So if there's a way to unlock the ability to build leverage on the paper gains of gold to take a call option on Bitcoin, there's something incredible here that could happen.